Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best Chesterfield sofas. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Stonebeam Bradbury Chesterfield Tufted Sofa. This two-seater Chesterfield couch by means of the Stonebeam enterprise is, with the aid of some distance, certainly one of their best merchandise. Featuring a deep button tufted backrest and easy voluminous cushions, this sofa is a perpetual traditional. If you're a traditional couch crasher, then you will love to crash onto this appropriate piece of furnishings each time you stroll into your residing room. The linen polyester upholstery is pretty spacious for a seater, and is as relaxed as it may get, which affords you with an less lounging revel in. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Homelegance St. Clair Traditional Style Sofa. Nothing defines extremely beauty higher than this Homelegance St. Clair Traditional Style Chesterfield couch with tufting and rolled arm design. If you are someone who loves aesthetically alluring sights, then this unique sofa will flip your residing room into a first-class sight. This Chesterfield sofa is made of 100% polyester cloth, which features a tremendous herringbone sample in a normal deep button tufted fashion. Couple it with some throw cushions and deep hues, and you'll get yourself a photo best showpiece. At number 3, we have the classic modern scroll arm velvet large Loveseat sofa. If you're still uncertain and haven't located out which sofa to splurge on, we gift to you the Divano Roma Furniture classic modern scroll arm velvet Loveseat Chesterfield couch. This Loveseat sofa is so spacious that even a trio pal squad may want to squeeze into it, and no person will experience omitted. Boasting of excellent velvet cloth upholstery and removable cushionware, this Divano Roma Chesterfield sofa is what dreams are made of. If you are a person who loves to have some alternatives to hand while selecting a bit of furniture, then you'll be extremely joyful to understand that this velvet sofa is available in 4 distinctive colorings. At number 2, we have the Coaster Home Furnishings Victoria Traditional Tufted 3-Seater Sofa. If you are more into common vintage-style furniture, then this masterpiece by means of the Coaster Home Furnishings will be the remaining showstopper at your area. The timber mainframe is tastefully adorned and carved with complicated details, and a tritone leather seat makes it an entire package deal. This is appealing to the eyes. This 3-seater Chesterfield sofa is a robust piece of fixtures with a view to show to be an extended lasting funding to your residing room. And finally, at number 1, we have the Modway Prospect Upholstered Contemporary Modern Loveseat. Finally, inside the first place of our top 10 Chesterfield sofas, we suggest you the best-selling Modway Prospect Upholstered Contemporary Loveseat as its comfy seat and present-day layout and contemporary tendencies. If you adore anything that features a current show, then this modern twist on a traditional Chesterfield sofa is exactly what you're searching out. This Loveseat has polyester upholstery that has been tailor-made to perfection into a genuinely stylish design. A curved round returned with a tufted backrest gives it insight over different traditionally designed Chesterfield sofas. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this Chesterfield sofas, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.